a world of paws, fins, and feathers. In a cozy little house lived a girl named Lily who dreamed of having a pet. "There are so many different animals you can have for pets," she'd say to her dad. "The most common are cats and dogs, but there are so many more." Lily's dad would smile and say, "That's right, sweetie. After cats and dogs, I think the next most common pets are probably birds and fish." Lily imagined a fluffy cat she could hug and a playful dog she could chase in the yard. "You can play with a cat or a dog," Lily said thoughtfully, "but it would be hard to play with a bird or a fish." She pictured a tiny bird in a cage and a shimmering fish in a bowl. Her dad added, "Some birds are very smart, you know. They can be taught to do things. Parrots are especially clever." Lily's eyes widened with excitement. "Some of them even talk," her dad exclaimed. "But birds usually stay in their cages." Lily imagined a colorful parrot squawking "hello" from its perch. "And fish," her dad continued, "have to stay in the water in a tank or a fishbowl." Lily pictured a beautiful, serene underwater world. One day, Lily's friend Chloe came to visit. "Some people have gerbils or guinea pigs as pets," Chloe said. "And some even have ferrets." "I have a friend who has a lizard for a pet," Chloe told her. Lily tried to imagine what that would be like. "She has to buy live crickets for her lizard to eat," Chloe explained. "And another friend of mine has a pet snake." "I don't think I would like to have a pet snake," Lily said with a shiver. She much preferred the idea of a fluffy friend. "There are so many different types of dogs," her dad said later that day. "Some are very big and some are small. A Labrador Retriever is a big dog. And a poodle is usually a small dog," he added, "though some can be big too." Lily giggled, imagining a tiny, fluffy poodle.